Every evening, my grandmother had a little skincare habit she quietly kept to herself for decades. And it's the reason the skin on her wrists still looks smooth and soft even at 70. If you enjoy caring for your skin in a gentle, natural way so it stays smooth and refreshed at any age, make sure to watch until the end of the video so you can follow each step correctly. We'll start with the first ingredient, a cucumber. Simply grate it to get the soft, juicy pulp. Cucumbers are rich in silica and natural antioxidants, which can help soothe the skin, reduce puffiness, and give an instant cooling, comforting feel. They're also a longtime beauty favorite among Japanese women who often use them to help keep their skin looking bright, supple, and full of vitality. After grating the cucumber, use a fine strainer or a thin cloth to squeeze out the fresh juice. Interestingly, back in ancient Egypt, Queen Cleopatra, a timeless symbol of beauty, used cucumbers to help soothe her skin and reduce under-eye puffiness during hot, dry weather. This fresh juice will be the main ingredient in our skincare mixture. And don't throw away the pulp just yet. Keep it aside because we'll use it in another helpful little recipe in just a moment. Next, we have carrots. Grate 1 carrot finely so its beneficial nutrients are released more easily. Carrots are a familiar ingredient, yet they contain beta-carotene vitamin A and a variety of minerals that can help nourish the skin from within. When used regularly, carrots may support your skin's natural radiance, help even out tone, reduce dullness, and give the complexion a healthier, more refreshed look. After grating the carrot, use a fine strainer or a thin cloth to extract the smooth, fresh juice. This juice is packed with vitamin A and natural antioxidants that can help your skin look brighter and more even. By the way, I'd love to know what your skin has been dealing with lately: dryness, dullness, fine lines, or dark spots. Feel free to share in the comments so I can offer more helpful suggestions. Be sure to keep the carrot pulp as well because it still contains plenty of nutrients that can be used to create additional skincare ideas. In the next part, I'll show you how to use both the juice and the pulp from these two ingredients to make simple at-home products that can support your skin naturally. Keep watching so you don't miss any of the steps. First, we'll make use of the carrot and cucumber pulp. From this leftover pulp, we're going to extract a gentle, natural oil that's great for the skin and can also be used to massage areas that tend to feel stiff or tired as we get older. Place the cucumber pulp and carrot peel into a small pot. This may seem like something you'd throw away, but it actually contains plenty of plant nutrients, vitamins, and natural antioxidants. Then pour in about 2/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, about 150 ml. The olive oil acts as a carrier, helping draw out the beneficial elements from the carrot and cucumber. With just this first step, you're already creating a versatile infused oil, one that can help soften the skin and provide a soothing, relaxing massage for areas like the hands, legs, shoulders, or neck, especially for older adults. Let the mixture simmer over low heat for about 15–20 minutes. Heating it gently like this allows the nutrients from the carrot peel and cucumber pulp to slowly infuse into the oil, helping the mixture keep its natural scent without burning or becoming too strong. Once it's done, let the pot cool completely. Then strain it through a fine strainer or a thin cloth. The oil you collect will usually have a light golden color and a pleasant, mild aroma. It can be used directly on the skin and is especially nice for mature skin that appreciates softness and gentle care. Before using it more widely, try a small amount on a small area of skin first to see how your skin responds. This helps ensure comfort and minimizes the chance of any unwanted irritation. Once the oil has been strained, pour it into a clean glass bottle. Storing it in glass helps maintain its purity and quality, and it also makes it easier to use whenever you need it. This infused oil isn't just for the face. It can also be very comforting for areas like the joints and the veins in the legs. You can gently apply it to the knees, wrists, or areas where the veins feel tight or tired. A few minutes of circular massage helps the oil absorb nicely. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week to enjoy softer skin and a more relaxed feeling in the joints. Make sure the bottle is tightly sealed and stored in a cool, airy place to help keep the oil fresh for longer. I'd also love to hear about your experience. Have you ever tried any natural recipes using carrots or cucumbers? Feel free to share so everyone can learn from one another and discover more gentle ways to care for themselves each day. Now we'll move on to the carrot and cucumber juice to make a simple skincare serum. This mixture is light but nourishing, and it works nicely for mature skin. Just pour the carrot juice and cucumber juice into a clean bowl. The carrot juice can help the skin look brighter and more even, while the cucumber adds a soothing, cooling touch that helps the skin feel soft the moment you apply it. Next, add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe helps provide moisture and allows the serum to absorb more evenly. With its soothing and skin-supporting properties, aloe is especially helpful for those with sensitive or easily irritated skin. Then add 8 to 10 drops of vitamin E. This vitamin offers antioxidant support, helping protect the skin from everyday factors that may make it feel older or tired. It also contributes to a softer texture and can help reduce the appearance of small lines. Once the base of the serum is ready, add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps the serum sink more deeply into the skin, leaving it comfortably hydrated without feeling sticky, a great addition for mature skin that benefits from gentle daily nourishment. Every evening, my grandmother would spend a few quiet minutes on a small skincare step she kept to herself for decades. Whenever I held her hand, I was always surprised by how smooth and silky the skin on her wrists felt, even though she's now 70. It wasn't until recently that she finally shared her secret, and I was amazed by how simple it truly is. Pour the serum into a clean bottle to store and use more easily. Each time you apply it, just place a small amount on a cotton pad and smooth it over your hands. Its light texture absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and leaves the skin soft and comfortable. This serum can be used every day, both morning and night. With consistent use areas that look uneven or dull, may gradually appear more balanced over time. And for mature hands that tend to feel dry or lack vitality, this serum offers a gentle sense of hydration softness and a healthier looking appearance each day. You should keep the serum in the refrigerator so it stays fresh and maintains its best quality. If your skin tends to feel dry, thin, or dull as the years go by, try using this serum both morning and night for extra moisture and comfort. With steady use for a few weeks, you may notice your skin looking brighter and more even. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.